Okay, the topic is today about the constraint and agriculture policy. Yeah, okay. Uh, and the first, this is about the problem. Yeah. I give the example problem in Indonesia. Year of agricultural problem in Indonesia that never end. And the first, societal stigmatization. Yeah, of course, agriculture is underestimated. Many people still think that agriculture only end with hiring. Yeah, because I think in your country, everybody have the opinion uh, that the agriculture is underestimated. It is the assumption that the agriculture the lower get the lower income. It is Indonesia stigmatization like this. And the second, the crisis regeneration of young farmer. In Indonesia, can be seen from the statistic of the 61% of a farmer age under 45 years. Yeah. This data I can get from the Indonesian Bureau Statistic. Indonesian Bureau Statistic. Yeah. I don't know with your country. Yeah. How about the crisis young farmer? I like I think maybe same, yeah, because the uh, young generation not work not will work in the agriculture. And the church, the result of payment are not comparable to the risks uh, present by farmer. Yeah, of course, the trading chain, the harm farmer, kept in profit sharing between the farmer and the distributor. Yeah, or the middleman. Yeah, because the middleman or distributor will get a high income than the farmer. Yeah, of course, the farmer will suffer the most. And the fourth, and the fourth, yeah, and the fourth, agricultural cultivation technique lack precision. In the field, yeah, in the field, farming is done based on instinct and expression. In Indonesia, the majority of the people in Indonesia or the work in the farm the based on the on instinct and efficient only. Yeah, I don't know whether your country. In the fourth and the next, uh, and the next, I mean, the fifth. No, frequently also agriculture attention officer do not understand the agriculture problem itself. And sometimes in the officer, agricultural officer didn't know what the problem, what the real problem in the agriculture by the farmer. Yeah, like the I don't know what the problem in the farmer. Sometimes the official agriculture official not didn't know like this. And the sixth, and the sixth, the difficulty that also often befall farmer is finding capital. Yeah. Because in the because I think in the agriculture is the uninformation job because the farm is and the assumption in the unpaying job. Yeah, the risk of the farm is higher than that work other work. You know, in the farmer the it because it is influenced by the climate change and the falling the crops. Yeah, the crop is violet. Yeah, you know the crop violet. And next, yeah, and the next, 7, you can look at the picture. Yeah, you can look picture. Yeah, and the farmland with the housing. And 7, many farm land compression occur on the island of Java. Yeah. Compression of land function. Hello? Hello? Okay.
Here.
Compression. Okay. Compression in farmland on function many occur in Java, Indonesia. A density population with a high level of need causes agricultural land to be converted, yeah, and to be converted into housing, yeah, like this, and high-rise building. The meager productivity coupled with increasingly narrow land causes the farmer economy, yeah, to get squeezed even more. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, you can see from the picture. Yeah, more and more the housing and the house building, yeah, the raise and the less or more or less in the farmland will be I like the little to be a little crowded and the other. And the next, yeah, yeah, we have to know land resource that physically cannot be produced, and so that supply of land is limited.
Land is limited.
The high demand, yeah, the high demand for land for various activities that tend to exceed the existing land supply can lead to land scarcity. Yeah, you know, like land scarcity. Land scarcity encourage competition for land use. Yeah, where an increase in the need for the land for one activity, of course, will reduce the availability of the land because for the other activities. Yeah. Can you hear my voice?
Yes.
Okay, thanks. This can lead to the land conversion. Yeah, relate to the problem composition of paddy field atau from land field in Indonesia. Of course, it cannot be separated from the role of Java Island as a center of the rice production. In the Java Island is the large rice producer with the large rice field in Indonesia. Yeah. Until the now, is the Java is the source of the rice production. Based on its distribution, Java Island has the large rice field, namely approximately 3,231,000 hectare. On the 43% of the total area of rice field in Indonesia. Therefore, the conversion of the paddy feed to the non-paddy feed on the Java island need attention because it has the very large opportunity cost. Yeah, do you know opportunity cost? Yeah, because you can have the choice.
Opportunity.
Yeah, opportunity cost. Yeah. Like I have to
opportunity cost.
to have the to have the to rent to have the choice. I have to rent or have to buy. Yeah, I have to rent the farmland or I have to buy farmland. It is a talk about the opportunity cost, which can affect the local or national rice production capacity, considering that Java Island is the large rice producer in Indonesia. And so it is not anticipated. Yeah. Expected to have the impacts on food condition, of course, in the future. Okay, next. In the fact, based on the result of the release of the Indonesian Central Bureau of Statistics in 2018, show data taken by satellite, imagery through the area sampling framework, KSAI scans, the area of rice field in Indonesia has decreased to 7.1 million hectares. Whereas the land area previously reached 7.75 million hectares. Oh, you can imagine about that.
Yeah, it's another part.
Yeah, decrease to 7.1 million. Okay, next. And I explained in the above about the societal signification. The image of the agriculture sector. Yeah, you know that looks dirty and poor is based on the absence of strong evidence that farming is promising. Not all the farmers are poor. However, most of the farming economy still belong to the lower middle class. Yeah,
that's true.
Yeah, is it true? Yeah, I think it is true.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, the next. Yeah, in this second. Ini not only Indonesia.
Decreases generation of farmers.
Maybe in China, maybe in the East, listed Timor. I think the crisis generation of young farmer is heaven too. And the younger generation, as well as the key to the success of the agricultural sector. If it is not handled immediately, it will be difficult for this nation to achieve national food security. Yeah, this is the key important is the important key about the national food security. One of the program that has driven a lot is the modernization of the farm itself. Yeah, so that it's look better. And now digital farming is interesting thing to change the image of agriculture into the attractive
business.
Okay, and the next, third, the result obtained are not comparable to the risk experienced by farmer. Yeah, because in the farmland have the higher risk than the other job because it's influenced by it depend on the weather, depend on the water. Yeah, you can imagine if the farmland in this area farmland there is not the water or scarcity water. This is the challenge for the farmer. Okay, such a condition make work as a farmer seem unpromising. This is
The profit was insignificant.
the profit are significant, and not to mention the loss when the bitter. It's not supportive, or the there are pest
Yeah.
attacks. Yeah, pest attacks.
Yeah.
Like the maize, or mouse, on the snake attack and other. For this reason, a facility is needed that is able to cut the trade chain. You can see the important case about the trade chain. Yeah, able to cut the trade chain with its quite long for agriculture commodity. Yeah.
Agriculture commodity.
Yeah, stabilization of the trade chain. Yeah, can influence the long agriculture commodity. And the hope is that the farmer will be able to provide the products directly to consumer, so that the profit earned by farmer will increase. Okay. My explain can be understood. Tongse and Peter.
Yeah, it's clear. Sure.
Yeah,
Okay.
clear.
Okay, thanks. Okay, I will be continue. And the fourth, this is about the technology for the agriculture.
Agriculture, cultivation, techniques,
agriculture, yeah, like you can see for in my picture, you can see about the advanced technology for the agriculture. Agriculture cultivation technique is like precision. Yeah. The precision referred to here is farming with the correct and the effective technique. In the field, farming is done based on the instinct, and expansion, like the most farmer in Indonesia. Yeah, they work based on the instinct and experiments. I don't know with the let's say East Timor and China. Rarely the farmer in Indonesia come from educate cycle who will already have sufficient stock of knowledge about the agriculture. For example, applying fertilizer at the right doses, and a correct pest management. How about post harvest processing? Yeah, that so he can also get selling value. Selling value. Okay, selling value. The product is higher. In addition, the seed used as the planting material are not certified seeds. Yeah, certified seed. Yeah. And the next, okay.
Agriculture, cultivation, Islam, precision.
Let's wait a moment. And the fifth, the difficulty that also often befall farmer is the finding capital. It is farming business that cannot provide the certainty that is deep, because you have to know, because the farming land is depend on the natural condition, success or not, the farmland it depend on the natural condition in the region. Of course, creditor to be reluctant, to give land money to entrepreneur in the agriculture sector. Do you agree about this?
Yes, the problem.
Yes.
It is the it is a problem. Almost in the world, and not only in Indonesia, in China, in the Timor-Leste. I think
Yes.
from the finding capital is the problem too.
Yes. That is the source.
Yeah. Okay. The next. Yeah. It is about the you can see the picture. It is the how about the real gross domestic product per capita, like the China in the
China leadership.
it is the China. It is the United States. It is a Japan. It is the Republic Korea. Is this the Indonesia? You can see from the picture. How about in the 2000 until 2020? You can see from this. This is there are lines about the real GDP. This in Indonesia, the real GDP is higher than other country, and the real GDP in the 2000 until 2020, you can see this. China is higher for the GDP per capita, higher than other country. And the second is, of course, Indonesia. You can see from you can see from in the 2021 until 2050. You can see from the picture. In the about the real gross domestic product, Indonesia is higher than other country. And a second, of course, the China. And the third is United States and the Republic of Korea.
Republic of Korea.
About the real GDP, China, of course, is a higher real GDP than other country. This is the picture about the gross domestic product on the real gross domestic product. Okay, you can see from the in this my slide, China leader are seeking. It is a talk about the challenges in the implementation agriculture. in China, in Indonesia. In the China, a leader are seeking to sustain and improve the country of food security. Yeah, I
Food
need
security
myriad challenge,
is
including an inefficient agriculture practice. The problem about the supply chain logistic or the supply chain logistic bottlenecks. And of course, the international trade dynamic. Yeah, you know, until now there are the trade war between the China and the US. You know, there are the there are tariff war. There are tariff war. If about the export import in the China with us. This is talk about the international trade. Of course, in China there are changed consumption habit because the people, yeah, in the China is population in the China, most population in China is highest in the world. And water scarcity, yeah, scarcity, water scarcity. Yeah, it is a problem in China. And the
domestic
masalah, the problem is about the domestic environmental degradation. How about this, Tong Sui? Do you agree about this in China? It is a problem. It is a challenging the agriculture.
It is a case in the past.
Oh, it is discussed in the past. Yeah.
Yeah,
And the
no,
case.
no.
Oh, no. And
Yeah,
maybe
China, agriculture was weak.
Oh,
There was, yeah.
Okay. Can you tell us about the now issue in the China about the challenging agriculture? Well, I say maybe. Please, you can say.
No same.
No, same.
Yeah.
Maybe opinion maybe Sui, you say before about the not sim. Maybe not sim. What you can keep your explain
Because China was
us.
one party country, and you know, different leaders has different manners with control the war, control the domestic.
Okay.
Yeah. But before 25 years old, China agriculture is higher.
It's hard.
Yeah, in the past, and now all changed.
Oh no. Okay. Maybe in the Timor-Leste. How about the challenging the agriculture? Qualify? Yeah, okay. Thanks, Tong Sai. Oh, you can go to Indonesia. There are two major challenges to implementation agriculture transformation in Asia. Are the limited availability of land. Yeah. Because I think same with in the China population in Indonesian population is number Number 4 in the world.
Number 4, yeah.
In the world. It is, of course, the population is limited variability land. And second major challenge is about the agriculture contract issue. Because in Indonesia, it is the problem. The problem about the agricultural contract. It is the problem about the agraria agriculture. How about the you can rent the land or with the owner of the land. There are two sides on the land between the rent land. Yeah, it is the problem in it. To address this challenge, it needed a gradual change. Is the best solution to overcome the limited ability of the land and agriculture for this issue. Yeah, it is needed a gradual change is the best solution. It is a picture about the changing in the agriculture policy between Indonesia, China, and Indonesia. Okay, maybe have an opinion, don't say. Maybe you have the opinion.
I would like to say a little bit. In the past,
Okay.
everyone. Hello? Yeah. In the
Yeah.
past, in China, everyone was poor, but everyone was honest. So far, everyone is more free. But because agriculture, the money has made every farmers who go bad. Yeah.
Okay. The problem about the yeah. Hello.
Yeah, after 13 years of market reforms since 1978 years, China in the first decade of the 21st century standards on the age of something was very big. Yeah, but something very different from everything that has gone before. It is about revolution.
Okay, revolution of
Yeah.
agriculture.
And it is a brand of man eat man. Capitalism still knows officially called is socialism with Chinese
Okay,
characteristic. Yeah, that's why.
Yeah, that's okay.
It has brought unprecedented change to its society.
Okay. Thanks for Tongsi. How about the subsidy in the China? About the subsidy, the government keep the subsidy for the farmer until now.
Yeah, all of it is farmer city, because China, but President Xi they take over the political control of oil. China is so far, China has overtaken British as the world's fourth largest economy. And as I know, it has accumulated foreign exchange reserves of roughly $1 trillion and become the workshop of the world. Yeah, but the China, China, it is a hunger for energy and resource is influencing world market in oil and commodities.
Okay.
But for me,
Continue. Say.
For my opinion, in a short, China matters more than it has ever mattered in modern times. Even if industry such as agriculture and
Agriculture. Yeah.
production, yeah. But right now, China hope it can be next global superpower, but I don't think so.
Yeah. Yeah. I hope the China can be a global power.
Yeah, next global superpower, but I don't think so.
Yeah. 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 I think it is a need. China have to be the global power because the America until now this is the make a double standard.
Yes.
And yeah, like the in Palestinian and other country like the Ukrainian in Russia, it is the double standard.
Yeah.
And then this the and then now the China have to conquer the world economy and to be number one in the world. I hope the China.
No, I don't think so because Chinese people they kid yourself like Chinese people they does believe pie in the sky. They does such as farmer they doesn't want to level. Yeah, they want the pie in the sky. But right now, I think the West needs to pay more attention to Chinese problems, not only agriculture problem, because there could well be a crunch coming in China. That's
Okay.
right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not only problem in agriculture too, and there are other problem. Okay. Tong Sai.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have maybe I have the paper. Yeah, I can share the paper. Ah, ini dia. Yeah. Yeah, it can be see.
Then it's clear.
Yeah, clear. Okay.
Yeah.
It is a comparison Indonesian. Yeah.
For China.
Yeah.
Very good.
Export. Yeah, with China after the agreement of agriculture. AOI. And you can see from the abstract here, the agriculture is the most important sector, yeah, in Indonesia and China's economy. The role of the sixth sector not only in the international trade activity,
yeah,
but also play a role in the domestic economy. Yeah, I thought I said talk before GDP, yeah, gross domestic product. Including the food sufficiency, the food security. The agriculture policy, Indonesia and China are only oriented to increase agriculture productivity. Of course, for the trade purpose, but also to improving the standard of living of the people. Yeah, especially the farmer.
Yeah, farmers.
Yeah. The flow of economic liberalization brought by the video has become the dilemma for Indonesia and the Chinese agriculture.
Yeah.
On the other hand, the WTO accession decision opened access to wider international trade. Yeah. But on the other hand, for the country must protect their agriculture through the determination of the price for agriculture product by the government. Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, this paper, the objective to find put the comparison of Indonesia export and the import with China in the fit of the trade in agriculture product. After implementation of the agreement in agriculture, AUA, or agriculture agreement with are part of the WTO, yeah, from the January 1, yeah, 1995 until now. The result of the study, of the paper, obtained that comparison of Indonesian export and import with China was more optimal. From the results, it can be used as comparison for the government in determining a filter plus I to get maximum results. Yeah, it is this paper is, I think, interesting. It is talk about the comparison export import in China in Indonesia after AUA. Yeah, I take from the International Journal Global Operation Research in the 2021. Yeah, it is interesting, I think.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, maybe I will send you later this paper. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And then the next paper. Okay. I like agriculture in China. Okay. The next this next paper. Yeah, this is working paper. Yeah, this is working paper.
Working paper, yeah.
Yeah. What will make China's agriculture more productive? It is by the Jikun Huang, Xin Yelin, and Scott Rosal, yeah, in August 2000. This is working paper. Yeah, it's for Jikun Huang. Yeah. The abstract of the paper. This is talk that review China development strategy in agriculture. Yeah, like the you said before about the reforms. The reform that this has pursued in the past for achieving the current level for the food security. Yeah. And the rising agriculture productivity, and also accommodating a farm income. It evaluated the effect that this is strategy and reform have had agriculture production, with emphasis on the role of the technology innovation and adoption. Finally, we seek to identify challenging or constraint that China will face, and to analyze the scope for further agriculture and rural reform. In particular, there are three scenarios with different underlying assumption of technology investment and of course about the trade liberation represent to highlight the potential impact on grain self-sufficiency. I think this working worker in very interesting. I will send you later. How about your opinion, Ansai?
My opinion,
Okay,
no.
yeah. I think for today, is it enough, Ansai?
Enough.
Okay, I say thank you. Okay, I say thank for you. Have to join or the participation in this session. Yeah, I hope you can be success in the next. Maybe you can pass in the agricultural magister.
In the next lessons, we will offline or online.
Okay. Okay, see, yeah. I say thank and I see.
No, I mean, yeah, I hear that. I mean, next lessons, we will teach online or offline.
Or in the next time offline. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, don't worry because in
Oh,
today is the religion holiday, a national religion
oh,
holiday in Indonesia today. And
yeah,
this is the Jesus Christ. Yeah. And,
yeah,
in
I know.
Teguana, yeah. Nanti, don't worry. In the next, we will
I
discuss.
think if we teach online, it will once and for all. Yeah,
Okay.
offline is okay.
Okay. Yeah. Offline. Then the next week we can meet
I think
with
classroom.
an online.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you and see you.
Yeah, see you next Friday.
Okay.